In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Charles Schwab ETF. First, sign in to your Schwab account. Head to the official Charles Schwab website, click Login, and enter your credentials. Make sure you're on the legitimate site before you proceed. Next, fund the account because you can't place a trade without available cash. Go to Move Money, then Transfers and Payments. Link your bank if you haven't already and initiate a transfer. ACH transfers can take a bit of time to settle, so plan ahead. Once the cash is available as buying power, you're ready. Now find the ETF you want to buy. If you already know the ticker, type it in the search bar. Popular Schwab options include SCHX for US large caps, SCHD for a dividend focus, and SCHB for a broad market approach. If you're still comparing, use Schwab's ETF select list for pre-screen choices or open the ETF screener to filter by category, expense ratio, or performance. On an ETF's page, review the summary, fees, and holdings so you know what you're buying. When you've chosen the ETF, it's time to place the order. Click Trade at the top, select Stocks and ETFs, and enter the ticker symbol. Set Action to Buy, then choose the number of shares. Remember, Schwab generally requires whole shares for ETFs, so round to a full share count that fits your budget. Choose your order type. A market order buys right away at the current market price. A limit order lets you set the maximum price you're willing to pay. To control execution price, Schwab recommends using a limit order. You can set the limit near the current ask to improve the odds of a quick fill while keeping a price cap. Review everything carefully. Click Review Order, double-check the ticker, quantity, order type, and estimated cost, and then click Place Order. You'll receive a confirmation, and if it's a limit order, it may show as open until the market reaches your price. Finally, monitor your investment. Go to Accounts, then Positions to see your ETF holdings, cost basis, and performance over time. Most ETFs on Schwab trade with $0 commissions, which helps keep costs low. Avoid trading right at the market open or close when prices can be more volatile. That's it. You've bought an ETF through your Schwab account, from funding to execution to tracking.